Hello mga kalaps, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. So, today is January 1st, New Year's Day. Nag-prepare naman ako kahit pa paano ng ilang putahe. Ay, doon pa niluluto ko pa. Ayan. Gulo ng bahay kasi super luto pa ako. Hindi pa ako tapos magluto. Ito yung mga kakanin. Yan, nakagawa ko ng macarons sa yung ating fruits. Siyempre, yung ating lucky mania rice. Kuha ko ng puto, ubi halaya, kasaba, tsaka kasaba kalamay. Tapos, nandun yung fruit salad ko, buko pandan ko, macaroni salad, at tsaka macaroni, buko pandan, leche flan. Yan. So, nag-ano ako na sa air fryer ng pork belly. Tapos, luto ako ng lumpia. At magbe-bake ako ng wings. Diba? Ang gulo. Yan, Happy New Year. Kagabi, sobrang pagod ko dahil galing ako sa work. Luto ako, pagdating ko nagluto kagad ako. Pagkatapos ko magluto, nag-prepare ako ng mga ilalagay sa lamesa kasi kailangan, 'di ba, 12 meron ka na ilalagay sa lamesa. Pagkatapos ko sobrang pagod ko. Kaya hintay ko 11:30, 30 minutes na lang kausap ko yung mga family ko sa Pilipinas. 30 minutes na lang hihintay. Kung di ko na talaga kinaya, inantok na ako. Sabi ko maaga pa ako gigising at magluluto pa nga ako. Yan. Kaya luto muna ang lola, tapos tsaka ako magpe-prepare kasi may bisita ko na ilang kasamahan ko sa trabaho. This lunch dito punta sila rito na lunch tsaka after work. Ilan lang naman sila, mga 4-5. Hindi mo na ako nag-iimbita ng marami kasi pagod din ba? Okay, they all set up. Just only the egg roll I need to cook. Yeah, and then all my food here in oven. It's getting warm, still warm. Yeah, lalabas ko yun mamaya pagdating na mga bisita ko. Diba? Mamaya na videoan ko na lang ulit pag naka-setup na.
Well, they have to take English in school.
They do.
Yeah.
Okay. Your tree is absolutely gorgeous, Catherine.
Thank you.
That's beautiful. Is that a new one this year?
Huh?
Is that a new one this year?
Yeah, that's a new
Yeah.
one.
You had a white one, right?
Yep.
Still do.
This looks real.
I just got out of having to put up the village this year.
That tree goes up, then it comes down. That's about it.
Oh no! If it goes up, it stays up for me.
All year?
Oh yeah,
What?
that's the way I prefer it. But no,
Oh, so you don't have to take it down?
yeah, because otherwise I just got to put it back up again.
We could be like at Tammy's on the Ave. They have
Here's all my food I prepare.
in that one lounge in the back.
Pagdating na yung mga kasamahan ko, tapos may bisita na rin ako.
Easter, they put Easter baskets
Chicken
on
wings,
it.
lumpia,
Summertime, they have little flip-flops.
pork belly,
Sunglasses
pancit,
and all sorts of stuff they put on it.
ribs,
Summer-
pork ribs,
Other
beef
than that,
calderette, chicken curry, and menudo.
No, you need to change.
Jogging pants, exercise pants. That's what I ended up buying for him because he didn't. Then when we got back here, I bought him jeans, but I didn't have jeans there. You all packed and ready to go? You have got your packages sent already?
Yep, they already received them.
Really?
Well, could we sent them out? And not give them.
Oh. Yeah.
And then most of our luggage is packed already, waiting on the last few items.
So last minute we done.
How long have you worked at Champions Ridge?
Thank you, Lord, na nakaraos din kami sa New Year Day. Yan, ito pa rin yung aking prutas at lucky egg rice and chocolate, something. Yan. Nag-crave ako sa shake. Ayan, gawa kami ng milkshake. So, mga ilang araw tatabi ko na rin itong mga aking Christmas decor dahil kami pa uwi ng Pilipinas. Okay, Happy New Year again mga kalaps. Thank you for watching. Ayan, wala na. Nalinis ko na yung aking mga warmer food. Tapos na lahat. Siguro mga next week o this week. Mag-ano na ako ng aking mga Christmas decor. Yun na lang ang aking natira. Okay, bye. Thank you and Happy New Year.